Hi guys, John Fox here with another Tutorial Tuesday. Today's tutorial is a bit of rope magic. Now, have you ever had an issue threading the eye of a needle? Well, I'm going to show you how a magician solves that problem with this piece of rope. See, if this was the thread and this was the eye of a needle, I'll make that quite big, like that. You may have problems pushing it through there, but a magician, he can just go like this and actually thread the eye straight away. I'll slow that down for you. In fact, I'll make it a little bit smaller for you. Sometimes you can actually have the eyelet out here. Even though it's here, sometimes you can actually throw it out here and you'll see that it actually threads completely on. See, I'll actually make it a little bit smaller. In fact, as small as I can go, like so. And you'll see that if I can just try and get it through there, that's pretty small, eh, Charlene?
Really small.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. And you'll see that it comes all the way through, just like that. You can have a lot of fun with this. I remember seeing that years ago and it absolutely fooled me. I'm glad I remembered to show you this and share it with you. Until next Tuesday, I'm John Fox. Stay safe and bye for now.